Do you know fennel tea? Also known as Frenaccio. This tea is known and used all around the world. Fennel tea has some amazing benefits. Many people believe that this tea helps to lose weight, and many others use it to sleep better. But do you know the other benefits of this tea? Helps against free radicals. Since it has antioxidant properties, this tea is very efficient to fight free radicals. It contributes to preventing diseases like cancer and strokes. Aids the respiratory system. Drinking fennel tea may help in cases of coughing, asthma, and bronchitis, besides also being used in cases of colds and flu since it helps improve immunity. Are you enjoying this video so far? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Controls blood pressure. With good amounts of potassium, fennel is great for controlling blood pressure. Besides that, its tea acts on the prevention of strokes. Thus, it is a great natural medicine for those who suffer from high blood pressure, since it also prevents heart attacks and heart diseases in general. Reduces gas and aids in digestion. The tea made from the seeds of fennel helps in cases of cramps, both intestinal and period ones, and gas. Because it contains the essential oils that form digestive enzymes, fennel is a great aid of digestion and is also useful to control stomach acidity. Besides that, fennel is great as a natural medicine for intestinal constipation. Lessens bad breath. Since it improves digestion, this tea also contributes to improving bad breath caused by gastrointestinal issues. Besides that, gargling with this tea can also prevent bad breath and even sore throats. Isn't it interesting? Helps you relax and sleep better. Many people like to drink a cup of fennel tea 1 hour before going to bed. According to natural medicine, the plant helps the muscles relax, which makes it an excellent natural treatment for people who suffer from insomnia. Helps with weight loss. Did you know that fennel tea can be your ally on weight loss? That's because of the amount of fiber it has. It helps with satiety and acts in the digestive system, contributing to reduce bloating. Besides that, since it is diuretic, it helps release more liquid and toxins from the body. All those benefits are amazing, aren't they? But when combined with baking soda, fennel tea can also contribute to cases of headaches and insomnia. Did you know? Baking soda aids the good functioning of the body since it regulates blood pH, contributing to good digestion, relaxing the muscles and nerves, and alleviating headaches. Learn how to make a fennel and baking soda tea to get all these benefits. 8.45 ounces water, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Making it is very simple. Bring the water to a boil, turn off the heat, and let the fennel seeds infuse for 2 minutes. After that, strain. Add the baking soda and drink right after. You can drink this tea with baking soda whenever you have headaches. However, if your headaches are constant, seek medical help to identify the cause of this issue. Now tell us, did you already know the combination of baking soda with fennel tea? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.